Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you creating a private link for security connectivity. AWS PrivateLink provides a secure and scalable way to connect your VPC to AWS services without exposing your traffic to the internet, to the public internet. With this lab, you will create an AWS private link to securely access an AWS service from your virtual private cloud VPC. For this, we need an AWS account, basic understanding of AWS services, particularly VPC and security groups, and AWS CLI or AWS Management Console access. Objectives: understand the purpose of AWS Private Link, set up a VPC endpoint for an AWS service using Private Link, test the connectivity. First step, log into AWS Management Console. Log in with your AWS account credentials. Next step, create a VPC. Navigate to VPC. Write in search bar VPC. Click. Navigate to the VPC dashboard. Click on your VPCs in the left menu. Click Create VPC. Name tag VPC, my VPC. IP CIDR block 10.0.0.0/16 and click on Create VPC. Now we should create subnets. In the VPC dashboard, click on subnets here. Click on Create Subnet. Subnet, choose VPC, my VPC, new created. Subnet name is my subnet 1. Availability zone US East 1A. And CIDR block 10.0.1.0/24. And create subnet. Create one more. Repeat the process to create a second subnet. Choose VPC. You created VPC. Subnet name is my subnet name 2. Availability zone. Choose different availability zone 1B. CIDR block 10.0.2.0/24 and create subnet. Next step, create a security group. In the VPC dashboard, click on security groups. Security groups. Create security group. Name tag my security group. Description: security group for private link. This is optional. Choose VPC. New created my VPC. Inbound rules. Add rule. Add a rule to allow traffic from your subnet CIDR block. Type all traffic, custom, and my CIDR block, subnet CIDR block 0/16. Okay. Create security group. Okay, created. Now we should create a VPC endpoint. In the VPC dashboard, click on endpoints here. Create endpoint, click here. Select the service category. Choose AWS services. My endpoint and search for the service you want to connect. Amazon S3, for example. I will choose for East 1 S3. Select. Point interface. Select new created VPC. Subnets, select my subnet 1 and 2. My subnet 2 and create endpoint. Security group, select my security group for access. Check AWS services. Sorry, you should choose gateway interface, gateway endpoint, and create endpoint. Now we should verify connectivity. Launch an EC2 instance in one of your subnets. For example, in my subnet 1. Go to EC2 dashboard. Click launch instance. Test EC2. Choose Amazon Linux. Free tier. Tier 2 micro. Key pairs. Process without key pairs or private RSA, or create new one. I will without key pair. All right. So this. Edit my VPC subnet 1. Enable public IP enable, and security group, I will choose my security group. Select the existing, my security group, and launch instance. Enable instance. You should wait around 5 minutes for changing status. to running. I will stop here video. As I said, we should verify our connectivity. For this, we should connect with SSH to our EC2 instance, which is in subnet 1 in East US East 1A region availability zone. As you see, 10.0.1 204 IP address, private IP address. For this, we check our EC2 instance and click to connect. We will use SSH connection from here, from AWS console, connect. Now we will check from our EC2 instance, try to access the AWS service using its private DNS name. Type AWS S3LS. As you see, all is done. We have 2 endpoints. Congratulations, you have successfully created a private link for security connectivity to an AWS service. You can now access AWS services from your VPC without exposing your traffic to the internet. This setup enhances the security and performance of your cloud architecture. Now you should clean up, terminate the EC2 instance to avoid charge, delete the VPC endpoint and any resource you created during this lab to clean up your AWS environment.